Hello there guys, welcome back to the Ebike Repairs YouTube channel. Just a very quick one today. I've got on this, it's a silverfish battery, that's missing a bit, from a CYCLAMATIC Power Plus bike. So it's 24 volt, and as I say, it's a silverfish battery. It's nothing super exciting, however, look what's in it. Very old. These are 22650 or something, I believe. So they're a battery cell that's not really used anymore, to be honest. Crikey, how am I going to get them out of there? It's very, very, very old and nasty silicon, and look, someone's put a fuse in because that fuse is gone or melted or something. Oh, look at that, it moves. Amazing. Right, let's put the bottom off. To undo silverfish batteries, you just, for, what do you call it? Phillips head screws, I'm sure they're M4 size. Oh, it moves. Fantastic. Get them out there. 4 of those. Put that on there. Do one of these to squeeze it up. Yeah. There you go. There's the empty case. Aluminium extrusion, disgusting, covered in silicon, horrible, nasty, horrible, nasty, rusty screws. But you know that's fine. They're screws, aren't they? Still do the job. But yeah, there you go. Look. HW22650 3.7 volts, so it's like 2000 milliamp hour, so it's like an 18650 but really, really big. And because they are so old, this is what came in almost all the CYCLAMATIC batteries. Originally anyway. There's that, I can use that, I suppose, nothing wrong with it. And there you go, look, it's all spot welded together. We've got insulation between the cells, the cell groups. And so it's 24 volts, so a 7S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 29.4 volt fully charged. The BMS probably still works absolutely fine. This one could go up to 10 cells, but it was only ever populated for 7. And yeah, they're pretty cool things, I suppose. Because the BMS is so old, it's going to get removed anyway. Don't think it really needs to carry on, although I suppose it could. I don't know, we'll look and see. But yeah, just very quick. That's what's inside. Oh, it's crashed. That's what's inside one of those, and we're 5p, so it'd be 10 amp hour. Really heavy, these things, whereas nowadays something like this is 10 amp hour of the same, well, these cells aren't 10 amp hour, but if you had like a MJ1s or Samsung 35Es, Mola cell, whatever they're 3.5 amp hour cells are, it's 10.5 amp hours, and it's you know, it's that big, barely any bigger, is it? So yeah, it really doesn't shows it's come a long way. You don't need all this slot. It's almost as big as just a 3p of these. So yeah, and that's in cell holders, of course. But yeah, all good fun. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this kind of thing, please feel free to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, the channel member thing, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.